everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making super delicious eggless vanilla cake. So let's dive right in. In a bowl I have taken half cup of milk. To that I will add 1 to 2 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it well and set it aside for some time for our milk to get curdled. We will also grease our cake tin and keep it aside. Now in a big bowl I am adding 1/3 cup of oil and 1/3 cup of curd. To this I'll add half cup of powdered sugar and whisk everything well. Whisk until it's light and fluffy. This will give your cake a soft and airy texture. Since we are making it eggless cake, so we will use the curd instead of egg. To this I will add 5 to 6 drops of vanilla extract and mix again. To this we will swift in our dry ingredients like 1 cup of maida, and I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Into this we'll add our curdled milk which we had prepared earlier, and using the cut and fold technique we'll mix all the ingredients. Do not over mix it. Our cake batter is now ready, so let's pour it into our cake tin. Spread the cake batter evenly in all the sides and tap the cake tin so that the air bubbles are removed. While we make our cake batter, make sure you preheat your ovens at 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, and if you are making it on gas, then preheat our pan for 10 minutes. Now we'll bake our cake for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes we'll insert our toothpick in the center and to check if it comes out clean. So our cake is now baked. Let it cool for half an hour and then we'll demold it. And here it is, a soft fluffy eggless vanilla cake that's perfect for any occasions. Do give it a try, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please like to my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.